I'll hide Mia's competition shoes and make Mia lose. I worked so hard to give you a good life. Why would you use cigarettes? Get out of the house immediately until you realize your mistake. Please, I'm sorry. My mother is seriously ill. I need this job to buy medicine for her. He's so pitiful, Mom. Please hire him. I don't go to school. I can work all day. Please hire me. You can go to school with Mia during the day and help with the housework in the evening. Thank you so much. I will try my best. Tomorrow is your first day of school. I'll take you. Breakfast is wonderful. Thank you, Chef. I'm going to school now. Thank you so much, Mia. You and your mother are far too kind to a simple maid like me. I also got you one, Mia. I really hope you will take it. Thank you both so much, Rin and Bean, but I can't accept them because I really just want to focus entirely on my studying right now. She effortlessly gets the perfect grades, the endless praise, and the absolute adoration of everyone in this room. We will definitely be there. It is going to be the best party ever. Thank you so much for your kind words, everyone. And to celebrate winning this math competition, I would love to invite all of you to a big dinner party at my house tonight. Just a maid. Lucky to be going to school with us, but she'll never be as good as us. Look, isn't that Sora, the new girl who just transferred to our class? Is she Mia's maid? Look at her. She thinks she is one of us just because she goes to our school, but at the end of the day, she is still just a servant pouring our drinks. Never underestimate me. I will climb higher than you all. I'll hide Mia's competition shoes and make Mia lose. Where are my shoes? I left them right on this chair. I'm sorry, Mia, but if you don't have your shoes, you simply cannot perform on stage today.
Congratulations, you've won the school ballet competition.
Thank you. Finally, I am the winner, and you are the loser. Oh my goodness, that is such a tragic shame for her, but I am still so very proud of your hard work and victory, Sora. Do you happen to know where she is right now? Actually, I didn't want to worry you, but Mia left her ballet shoes at Bean's house today because she went out with Bean, and she can't compete in ballet. This time, Mia will definitely be kicked out of the house. Mila hates cigarettes. I worked so hard to give you a good life. Why would you use cigarettes? Get out of the house immediately until you realize your mistake. Please, I'm sorry. This expensive dress looks so much better on me anyway. I finally have the wealthy life I deserve, the beautiful room I deserve, and soon, everything she ever had will completely belong to me. Excuse me, sir, are you hiring any help? I can clean tables, wash dishes, absolutely anything. Sorry, kid. We are fully staffed right now. Try somewhere else. But keep trying. Please, I really need a job to survive and buy food. We don't hire children here. It's against the law, so go home to your parents. I invite you, Mom. I invite you, Auntie. You are such a good, caring girl, Sora, and look at these perfect test scores. I am so incredibly proud of you. Mila, you work hard every day. Please sit down and let me massage your shoulders. You're so wonderful. You're the only joy left for me here. And I love you, Sora. Why are you crying all alone, little one? I'm scared. It's okay. I'm here now. My mom is very sick. I want to join the ballet competition to win the $1,000 prize, but I don't know how to dance. Don't cry anymore, Emma. I know how to dance ballet very well, and I will teach you everything I know so you can win that money to save your mom. You came to visit me again, my sweet child. Why haven't I seen your older sister, Sora, come to visit me? Come on, quick! What's going on? Where are we going? I only wanted to help Mom. Quiet. We must keep this a secret from her. Why are you here? Do you know what you're doing? If Mia asks, you must say you don't know me. I saw everything. I know what he did. I don't have my ballet dress and shoes. It's okay, Emma. Don't cry. We will find another way to get the money. I am a professional judge, and I want you to enter the international competition next week because you have a rare gift. Oh, thank you so much. I just practice out here because I don't have a real studio or a home.
Bravo! That was absolutely beautiful.
The award goes to contestant. Contestant Mia.
Hi, Sora. It was Sora. I saw Sora take Emma's shoes and dress and hide them, and I was a victim too. Sora took my shoes.
It is completely true. She threw my ballet shoes away and abandoned our severely sick mother. Oh my God, what have I done? Mia, I am so deeply sorry I ever doubted you. Sora, get out of my sight. You are expelled and never welcome back.